some great members up here, and let me start bringing them up right now. Jack Reed of Rhode Island. Senator Jack Reed has been in the forefront for years fighting for seniors. Jack, come on up.
Thank you very much. Well, first I want to salute our great leader in this great endeavor and critical endeavor, Bernie Sanders. All my colleagues from the Senate and the House, but I particularly want to recognize David Cicilline because Rhode Island delegation is strongly supportive of Bernie's efforts to save Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Senator Whitehouse would have been here, but he's on the floor managing a critical piece of legislation right now. But we're all here also with representatives like Ed Coyle of the Alliance for Retired Americans and Max Richton, old friends. We're here to echo the extraordinary and passionate plea and demand of Bernie Sanders. We've got to save Social Security, save Medicare, save Medicaid. This is what is the difference between being in the middle class, staying in the middle class, retiring with dignity, and not. And we've got to save these programs. Now.
Yes, sir.
All right. Bernie talked about the change CPI, and there are some that say, well, this is just a technical correction that reflects the statistical flux of coming and going here and there. But what it does is exactly what Bernie said. If you are retired, you're going to keep losing money the longer you live, and the longer you live, the more money you need for prescriptions, for health care, just to get by. $14,000 a year, the average benefit, and you lost $1,000 by the time you're 85, that's not a marginal technical correction. That is a life-changing experience. We've got to recognize that, and we've got to fight against that. Now, the other thing it's going to do, because they're going to apply the tax brackets, is going to raise taxes on middle Americans, on the struggling families today. That's another little technical fix that they're trying to work in. So we have to pull together, starting today. Let your voices be heard here in Washington, but more importantly, across this land, to say, as Bernie has said so eloquently, those who are benefiting from the extraordinary success of this system should participate and contribute to it. But don't punish those people who depend upon these critical programs.
That's
so
right.
Let's go forth from this time, this place, and save these great programs. Thank you.